Hello and welcome to another InVision tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you a synchronization that fails because the switch is not yet supported, and I'm going to explain what to do in such case. First, let's see a successful synchronization with a supported switch. So we're going to add a managed network equipment object, then enter the IP address of the switch we want to synchronize with, and the SNMP information. In my case, I'm going to use an SNMP version 2, so all I need is the read community string, and then we save. Next, we select the switch, right-click, and go to SNMP Synchronize. If we take a look at the SNMP status window, we see a task called Discover Switch Information, and when we refresh, it changes to Pulse Switch Status. That means the synchronization succeeded. All the components pop up in the database, and if we go to the event log, we see a successful synchronization event for the switch. Now, let's see the case of a not supported switch. So we're going to add another managed network equipment object, enter the IP address of this new switch, and the SNMP information. Then we synchronize. Very quickly, the event log records an event called Unknown SNMP Equipment Found. This flags that the switch we tried to synchronize with is not yet supported. The next step is to install the latest SNMP update pack for our server version. We get this from the InVision support portal. We can download the file and copy to the System Manager server computer. Then double-click on the executable and run. The whole process will take just a few seconds. It will not require server reboot. Only the SNMP service will be stopped and then restarted. So now that we have updated our server to the latest SNMP version available, we're going to try again. So I'm going to select the switch and go to SNMP Synchronize. Wait for the process to take place, and now the synchronization is successful. If this is not the case and the synchronization fails again, it means the switch is not yet supported. You need to go to InVision support and open a case requesting support for this new switch.